Hi, I'm submitting a support ticket for this, but I just wanted to explain a little bit more about it. So for one of my teachers, one of her students, the grade book is not working correctly. So any assignments that she's putting into her session folders are not showing up in the grade book. Now this is similar to a problem that was happening a few weeks ago, and I think that was mentioned in last week's Buzz meeting, that the problem might be that the student has not been added into Buzz, and that's kind of the first thing I thought of. Except that this particular student is not a new student and has been added to Buzz. So every other course that the student is enrolled in, the student's grade book is working. So if I go to one of my classes with him, like my grade book is working just fine. So it's only with this particular course, with this particular teacher, so that's why it's a little baffling. It's Community Minds. The teacher is Kelly Frazee, and the student is Grayson Thompson. And the only problem is just that the gradebook is not working, and this is the Montclair campus that this is happening at. Okay, thank you so much.